Iyo studio ziba zateguye z'abari nka miliyoni, ariko ubundi uyu mwaka mwaretse tugashinga yacu izajya ibyikorera ikabyikorana, cyaza se ko mutazinguka. Paramount Skylines Corporation, Domain Entertainment, cyabanyitaga Heza Simba. Tugiye kureba filime ya mbere y'uyu mwaka 2026, siyo ya mbere ngoze. Mwibaza impamvu tangire hakuno ne filime witonze ahantu mu ruganda sinzi umugabo ureba gutyo to.
Not angry.
Nako narakaye. Uja?
Not asking for special treatment.
Nubwo ndi kubasaba ngo muvure byihariye. Nako ngo mumfate byihariye, oya ndi kubingiye. Sonye umwana hano mu kazi.
Was.
Waravuze ngo nari umwe mu bakozi bawe. Wari umwe nyine wahoze. Narebaga yuko mwampa akazi nanone.
Ask them to take me off the blacklist.
Basi nimba mutama akazi mbabarira umbwira diplome ye barayiciye. Basi mbabarira untangire message nziza kwa kundi umuntu agutangira ubuhamya bwiza. Basi untangire ubuhamya bwiza bamvane kuri blacklist nyine ubu nta hantu na hamwe yemere gusaba akazi. Urongera kuvuga ibyo bintu. Ndagushota n'urwo rwana rwawe. Basohorane hano. Kubazanya hano umwana wumvaga biri bunkore ku mutima. Kwa mwaka nkeneye akazi meze nabi. Umwana wanje amasi cyumwera arwaye. Oya. Ibyo ntago bikora kuri cyo. Ikigabo kiri hano cy'ikigome kimeze nka King Panda. Ntago ndi ikigoryi cyo kujya kuvuga ibyo bintu. Byibura bwarimwe pose. Ufite umwana wawe intoryi zawe nizigeze zishirira sibyo warabyaye. Bifate nkaho watsinze umupira. Bye urabeho ndakwiyomye. Nazana umwana urwaye mu biro byanje nta nizo. Uzi n'ikiri ntago nazanye umwana wanje hano kugira ngo wumve wishinze icyaha cy'uko mwanyirukanishije mukakira no ku rutonde rw'abantu batemewe gusaba kazi hakuno. Impamvu nazanye umwana wanje nkaza mwitwaje byaro kugira ngo nze kubura ukuntu ngukubita naho ubundi nakabaye ngushose nkagukura nk'irye. Uyu ni wowe wese wavugaga ngo ntiwarakaye nuko umeze utarakaye. Hakuno umugabo akazi ubushomeri bumeze n'abafite umwana urwaye. We musoro ukomeye ari kugenda hano. Arebye kuri televiziyo abona hari publicity iri gucaho. Uri umugabo wumva atanga ibintu byose. Aya niyo mahirwe yawe ya nyuma kugira ngo uyu mwaka utagupfira ubusa. Ujya gukina amasiganwa cyangwa amarushanwa ya Running Man n'amasiganwa bayi. Ubashije gutsinda abagabo baba bambaye imikaro kabakwepa. Ukwezi kose kukarangira.
3 days you'll run away with $1 billion.
Uhita ugenda utsindiye biliyoni y'idolari Nyagasani ibiceri byinshi kandi umugabo ni umukene. Ubundi baravuga ngo amafaranga ni umuzi w'ikibi cyose. Dore abampigi baba barimo do. Bagon.
Catch me if you can, motherfuckers.
Nafashe se niba mubishoboye mwabikora kimwe. Nabagiyeyo. Nabagiye muri Running Man.
Don't miss the final run of the season.
Mutaza kugira gute mutaza guhomba kureba amasiganwa ya nyuma y'iyi season. Amasiganwa ngo yitwa Running Man. Iyo ubashije kujya muri ayo masiganwa ugenda wihisha abantu bari kugwiga ariko iyo bagufasha barakwica. Gutsindira biliyoni y'idolari umugabo kandi arakena. Ihangane mwana wanje.
That is not that crazy.
Papa ntago ari umusazi bingana kuriya ku buryo najya muri ariya masiganwa. Humura reka. Mugabo uri hano natashye mu rugo arabanza atunganya ibikoresho by'umwana. Mfite akana karwaye kandi igishomeri kimeze nabi. Arakennye kwa kuntu budacunganwa n'igihumbi mu mufuka nacyo ntacyo. Komeza kureba kuri televiziyo ariko iyi fata telekomande urebe. Kureba hakuno haba hari indi mikino y'urusimbi. Hakuno bazana amasiganwa umuntu akirukanka yabasha gucamo hano. Namwe murabyumva. Abatsinda ibiceri papa ari kubireba. Ni bya bikino n'ubundi ni bya kazungu narara byose ni kimwe. Ako mwabonye uyu mwaka muwinjiramo neza ngiye ko ntari impari. Mwaka mwawinjiramo ntari ku isi ntago nari impari. Hari utuntu nari ndimo nari naragiye kubategurira iwanyu aho muzaza. Hakuno umugabo hakuno bari kureba imikino yose y'amahirwe ngareba kwa kundi nyine byanga ugashakira mu kadege kwa kundi byanga ugashakira mu kadege. Muri ka konkoro hakuno abafongoza nawe. Nebari amwaranje toto reba hariyo.
Next question for one.
Ikibazo gikurikiyeho. Ugitsinda araza gutsindira igihumbi cy'amadolari. Ariya ni amafaranga menshi umugabo yake.
Net Air Flying V luxury jetliner have.
Bamubaza ibintu.
A4, B5 or C6.
Tough one. Say B, bud.
Musa subiza ngo B. Ni A.
C6.
Ikibabaje rero ni C. Hakuno ubwo uratsinzwe bira.
We're full of shit than Daddy thought.
umwana wanjye ubona ukuntu abakira ari ibigoryi ni umugabo uri kuganiriza akana nimba mama akana bari hehe hakuno umusa mu kiganza cyanjye mfitemo agapapuro kariho ibibazo sibyo ibisubizo ninde wavumbuye pepperoni hakuno nageze mu rugo natashye kumbe hakuno na madamu afite umugore umwana ameze gute mama akana kararwaye ameze gute mama umwana ari gutwika babyita kugira gute harya guhinda umuriro siko numva muvuga mu kinyarwanda ari guhinda umuriro ari gutwika mami akana kararwaye gukora umwana ari kubabara ibi bintu ntabwo ari sawa bitonyanga bibiri hakuno n'uduti tw'amagenda usinze aba yazivanye
Molly said he would have real farms, damn it, real flu meds.
Molly yatubwiye ko azadushakira imiti ya
Well, a little black market buddy has all the stuff.
Ese uzikiriya miti abagiye kuyigura muri farumasi ya miti yataye igihe bimusaba kanya nayo kugira ngo ayihiga yibone.
Kill people, but it's sold out of the things.
Biriya bintu byica abantu iriya miti baba barajugunye rero wimbwira gutyo unangira agahato bitwara gace umugore.
All right.
Hakuno umwana.
Stuff doesn't make her better, babe.
Iyi miti ntabwo iri kumukiza.
It makes her feel better.
Ariko byiburi tuma yumva ameze neza.
Another double at that hellhole club, and if it wasn't.
Ari nasabye yuko banyongerera shift ku kazi nkajya njya gukora muri club nkareba ko nakwinjiza amafaranga byikubye kabiri.
Dead in the morning, I'd still be there. So.
Ibizajya bigera mu gitondo ntarapfa ubwo nyine nzajya mbagira.
For today.
Hakuno. Mugabo biranga. Navuganye na Molly.
What you did?
Kuki mwavuganye?
Who watched Kathy?
Took her with me.
Ninde wari uri kureba umwana twajyanye?
You know. Guilt trip him?
No, you took her so you wouldn't beat the crap out of him.
Iyo utajyanye umwana ndabizi wari kumukubita.
I left my
pride
at the door. I was
ubwibone bwanje nabusize ku muryango. Nagiye namwubashye peni wa mugabo yagiye gusaba akazi. Sori ntazababeshya ntago ari muyo.
Got a little heated at the end, but
wenda nyuma naje kurakara nyine yego ariko
by then it was game over.
Ariko narakaye n'ubundi ntacyo kuregera kigihe. Bivuze ngo nago badushaka ko dutsinda. Nta kintu bashaka ko twageraho.
I'm sorry,
Babarire mwana. Babarire.
I tried.
Usa nagerageje. Akazi kawe.
Punished for being a good man.
Ese ntukihane ngo wirenganyiriza amakosa yo kubura umugabo mwiza.
Standing up for you guys.
Wabaye hano ku bwacu iteka
ryose. Right, you know, I got to be a dad and they didn't.
Ben, none of this is your fault.
Doesn't change our situation.
Ben, ibi byose nta kosa ryawe na rimwe ririmo. Ariko n'ubundi ntacyo bihindura kuri guhari. Turakennye, umwana ararwaye, nije papa mu rugo, nta kintu ndi kuzana ubwo se kuba atari amakosa yanje ahubwo ni he byaba atari amakosa yanje.
We're in this together, right?
Ibi tubiri kumwe mo sheri. Sibyo? Sawa. Dakana karibu. Turaza gushaka ikindi kintu twakora. Turaza gutekereza ikindi kintu. Hakuno. Ihangane mwana wanje ihangane mwana. Sogisi ry'uyu mwana ririhe?
Ben, those take forever to make.
No, it was on when we got home. Hold on. It's here.
Wabo ni sogisi wari taye ubwoba cyane ko mwana ucya. Cyari riri hano ariko. Gushaka isogisi ry'umwana. Tu. Gushaka isogisi.
Kick that off.
Akana wisogisi wari shoserigwa he. Kana kambaye isogisi rimwe.
Don't worry. Dad's gonna find it.
Humura wikiri kibazo isogisi ryenda ribona.
Honey. Are you back to the Libertine?
Ese ugiye gusubira muri Libertine? Nanjye ntago mbyifuze.
Said that place was dead in the morning.
Nari nzi ko ambwiye ko ari hano tu.
For the most desperate, wasted losers.
Nubwo haba hari abagabo b'ibigoryi byacanze b'abahombyi ariko nabakire tubakeneye amafaranga.
Get tips out of these guys.
Ndetse umukobwa dukorana yambwiye ukuntu bari abagabo naca mbavanamo make ya tipu nyine. Namwe murabizi ari ukuntu mu kabare bavuga kuri ya mugabo shasa atanga tipu. Abaseriveri bose barwanira kumwakira.
Do it all the time.
No.
Look, if these jerks can splash 50 indie per bottle, they can
uzi yuko atanga tipu y'amadolari 50 kuri buri
actually save a kid's life.
Kandi ayo madolari yatabara ubuzima bw'umwana wawe.
Can't let you do that.
Ntabwo natuma ubikora kuje gukora muri kariya kabari mu masaha nijoro.
She is burning up.
Ben umwana ari gutwika nayo kumugurira imiti igabanya umuriro twayabuze.
My friend makes 20 new every shift, usually from just one customer.
Byibura ngende ndebe ko nasa kumukiri umwe mwana. Inshuti yanjye givana y'uduceri twinshi.
Hey. Now, you know I'd never do that.
Urabizi ko biriya bintu ntabikora nimba ukeka ko agiye kugucira.
My friend doesn't even let her grab her ass.
Inshuti yanjye ntigituma banayikora no ku kibuno.
Charms him into tipping for something that's not on sale, and right now it's prime.
Aragenda nyine agasekera abagabo akabareshya bakamuha tipu n'ibyo ngibyo.
Time for that kind of play.
Look at the wrong exec. Thinks that you ripped him off. You could end up in the dump.
Byazarangira nawe ubaye nkawe nawe wisanze uri mu mwanda utazi wawe.
That girl across the street. I'm sorry.
Cyangwa kamera nkuriya mukobwa utuye hakurya y'umuhanda uriya dutega.
These men are savages.
Bari abagabo mwamuja kuseriva ninjoro ni ibisazi ni gorgi.
From a real doc, she won't survive.
Uriya mwana wacu akeneye imiti dukeneye kumujyana kwa muganga wa nyawe ibyo uri kwigira nibyo.
Have a choice.
Kandi nta yandi mahitamo. Mugabo yarebye hakuno kuri televiziyo. amahitamo arahari.
Where are you going?
Bagiye kugiye gushaka amafaranga. Amafaranga ahagije kandi ari buze gufasha umwana wacu mbere yuko bucya akaba yageze kwa muganga. Ukore kureba hano abona muri televiziyo bari gushyiraho publicité y'amasiganwa agiye kuba nimba ari amarushanwa nimba ari iki aho umuntu uzatsinda azahembwa biliyoni y'idolari.
People on that show never come back.
Ben, ndakwinginze abantu bagiye muri ariya marushanwa ntibajya bagaruka utayaje. Ntabwo ndi ikigoryi cyo kujya kwirukanka muri running man. Igenda biyobewe. Amasiganwa nimba twabyita amarushanwa. Ni umukino nyine. Aho ujya mu mukino bagashyiraho abantu baguhiga warokoka iminsi 30 bakaguhemba biliyoni y'idolari. Ariko bagufata bakakwica.
There's a ton of other shows. Look.
We hari izindi show nyinshi nagenda gakoreramo amafaranga. Apaniriye show.
One today, $75 new. I get on one of those.
People on these games get hurt too, like real.
Stuff next to the kind of jobs I work.
Promise me you won't go on that show.
I'll get you out of here.
Sebabana nk'umugore Churubaru je niyo mba ndi kwitekerereza rata mwamwe umubanda tudatekereza kimwe nje namwe hakuno nta kindi cyabaye ngabo yasohotse muhira turagukenesheri wicunge ibyo ujyamo byose wicunge turacyagukeneye ni umugabo n'umukene mu rugo famille ubukenewe Churubaru ndagaswira hakuno Paramount Pictures presents izina rya filmu ntabwo turaritangira ntabwo turaritangira bafatanyije na Domain Entertainment bafatanye na Gaheza Simba niba ushaka kwamamaza nimero yanjye ni 078 022 4403 cyangwa 078 21 29 hakuno The Running Man niryo zina rya filime ni umugabo uri kwirukanka ukizwa n'amaguru ubundi mu magambo makereka filime tuyite maguru ya sarwaye sibyo byiza ko numva uyu mwaka ariko ntazawumara mu nsengere ndabona bikomeye kandi ikindi kintu uyu mwaka nurangira ntakize na leta ibyumva tuzabane mu mahoro ntizamvangire dore mwaka ni wo wanyuma wo gukora ibintu byemewe na leta ubwo nimba ntakize zakurikiraho nyine namwe murabyumva hakuno umugabo yavuye mu rugo mu kito yavuye hakuno ahantu yaje ari kamera zimeze gutyo ku rugasa vuga iki kugeza hano yenje mu magerageza komeza werekeza yinjiye hari umujyi winjiramo bakamutera na za sanitizer baza kwanduza abakiri ibyo bigwara cy'iwanyu batindi byinda n'imbaraga sa n'ibinyamugera ntago baba babishaka reka hakuno abo yavuyeyo cira mu kandi kacici kari hano bitekerezaho gake gake ako ntago mwahara kuntuka ngani warwana nabonye ntago mwahara hano mu mazi iminsi munyandikira kuri Instagram umunuka ngo Gaheza wanza akazi nayo sinzo nabonye mwese mukomeze imbere kandi mufunge iminwa hejuru umuntu wicara hasi mukomeze imbere hakuna abakene babaje gusaba akazi ni benshi dore umurongodo umushomeri mumenze nabi ya goddamn broke niko utazi ikimuhatse ngareba iki harya mugabo kugera no yabonye agasogisi k'umwana kari mu mupira yagiye yambaye to kugera no musaza waje hano yagerageza umusaza hano umusaza ameze nabi we uyu musaza akeneye ubufasha we turakuyamye tuva iruhande nakubwiye ngo wasubira inyuma vanayotiza mugabo hakuno do kubita uratabara wabitumwe nande hakuno mwe mukomeze mugende mw'abantu mwe hano nta kintu cyo kubona subira mu murongo wanyu kigori kiwe mwese mupfunze iminwa garuka inyuma urebe yigize Yesu nyine arabambwa iyo wigeze Yesu urabambwa ibyo bintu simubizi se ngabo hakuno
Next.
ukurikiyeho hakuno
Tap each page to confirm the information is correct.
Tapinga kuri buri page tubone yuko ugenda wemeza ko amakuru waduhaye ariyo ukomfiriva.
What's the triangle mean?
Iriya triangle iravuga iki kariya kamande.
I'll read it to you to be faster.
Reka mbigusomere nibwo byihuta.
Ben Richards, 35,
ufite imyaka 35, ufite umugore.
Employment history, hired by CGen, fired for
aho yakoze mbere yakoreye muri CGen baza kumwirukana for insubordination kubera gusuzugura abamukuriye.
Why is there a red triangle on my file?
Ariko kubera iki kuri document yanje mbona hariho kampande 3 gatukura.
Hired by net utility.
Ndabona aragiye gukora no muri net utility.
Hey man, I asked you a question.
We ndi kukubaza wa mugabo we.
Insubordination.
Bakwirukanira nabwo gusuzugura inzego, sibyo? Insubordination.
Hired by defense net for theft.
Waje nanone kongera gukora muri defense net.
Fired for.
Uza kubyara n'umwana w'umukobwa.
Insubordination.
Bakwirukanira nabwo gusuzugura inzego, insubordination.
Poor kid.
Yararakara. Rep.
To stop me from choking you out.
We mbabarira udatuma nkunika, sibyo? Mumwohereze hejuru.
Elevator 6.
Genda uje muri esanseri ya 6. Hakuno. Uje muri esanseri ya 6. Nimba ari kuca hehe? Ni ahantu yaje gusaba akazi sinzi. Baba baje gusaba akazi ni benshi ubushomeri bumeze.
Hey.
Ari hano, we. Yahuye n'umukobwa hano umeze nka DJ ntuza.
Co-op 27, right?
Yeah.
29, neighbor?
Mwana, harya se utuye ku nzu 27. Cyenuye ku nzu 29 turi abaturanyi.
Ben.
Jibanyita Ben.
All right, Ben.
Sawa Ben we. Umukobwa bahuye hano to. Ure kwafi. Ibintu by'ibinyogosho by'ibirokoke biba bihirimanga. Bimwe bya kasuku Jay Squeezer.
We got the cash if you've got the balls.
Hakuno.
Hey, don't.
Right. Yeah.
Harundi bahuriye muri esanseri.
I'm Tim.
Jebanyita Tim.
Tim.
Tim byanditse.
Jansky's my last.
Banyita Tim Jansky.
Name and Tim.
Jansky nyine na akazina kanje ka kabiri.
Is short for Timothy.
Urumva banahiriye ka Timothy. Nabyumvishe.
Do we all go around and say our names and a fun fact?
Twese se turagenda tuzenguruka tuvuga amazina yacu hano cyangwa. Hakuno. Rebe. Naho baje kugera hano. Ari ama competition menshi batsindiramo ibiceri. Nawe yaje muri competition imwe muri kugera hakuno do. Baza hakuno bakabanza bagakora umwitozo turebe ko ufite igihanto kutakujyana mu bintu udashoboye. Cya gukora ibintu udashoboye wapi rwose. Hakuno. Musore. Babajyana mu myitozo hakuno. Uzana umuzanga usigara. Sinzi. Filime witonze umusore hakuno. Bari kubajyana mu myitozo kurira hakuno kuba wakurira nk'umusozi cyangwa iki bibaye ngombwa. Jazano aruwari ugera musa mu musore aramutabara to. Ndagufite mwana. Ariko umusore afite ibintu aba yibuka byigeze kuba kera sinzi nimba mubibonye. Abandi murakomeza mu masegonda 30. Musa wakoze mwana. Ntabwo byari ngombwa ko ari untabara. Oya nta kibazo ntarimo. Ribeshya mukinge hano ntabwo bajya batabara abantu.
Useless.
Technology.
Abuse.
Yaje hakuno mu yindi ofisi babanza kumusuzuma no mu mutwe barebe ko udafitemo ibijagu.
Heroism.
Kwigira intwari ntacyo bimaze.
Technology.
Abuse.
Nayo irakabye.
Freedom.
Kwishyira ukizana se.
No.
Ntabyo mfite ntabyo.
Authority.
Inshingano. Bintu byose byaraza.
When?
Hakuno do.
Hilarious.
Family.
Umuryango. Tekerezaho. Umuryango ni buri kimwe.
Next, what do you see?
Cutest
iyi foto uri kubona iki?
Puppy ever.
Ndi kubona ikibwana cy'imbwa cyiza.
What about this one?
Hanyuma singiye.
Oh, it's my favorite flower. Giving me a hug.
Ndi kubona ari ururabo rwanjye nkunda ruri ku mpobe. Hakuno do.
Final image. Tell me
ishusho
about
yanyuma
it.
mbwira iki ni iki?
Infinite bunnies.
Ndi kubona ari inkwavu zitarangira.
Getting sucked into a knife tornado.
Zimeze nk'iri ziri gukaragwa n'icyuma. Bari kuzikaraga ku cyuma. Bimeze nk'ari tornado.
Blood all over the galaxy.
Amaraso ari kwikaraga mu kirere nyine kwa kuri tornado isata ry'umuyaga. Bimeze nk'ari isata ry'umuyaga wuzuzemo inkwavu ziri gucikagurika imitwe amaraso nyine kiri kuvuga ibintu biterekeranye bitamaye agaciro.
And Mr. Richards, you are quantifiably the angriest man to ever.
Bisa nk'aho ari we mugabo wa mbere ukiri umujinya mu bantu bose twigeze twakira muri izi show zacu.
Well, that really pisses me off.
Ibyo rero nabyo birandakaje ahubwo. Hakuno komeza imbere. Umugabo nimba we yaje gukina yaye marushanwa gusa yavuze ngo ntago yakina The Running Man.
Our jumpsuits are in here.
Kubona jumpsuits zacu ziri hano. Ya myenda abantu basimbuka mu ndege baba bambaye. Buri muntu wese afatiwe umwenda umukwiriye aho ngaho igisubireti kimukwiriye. Hanyuma muhindure mwambari. Hakuno ebe. Yambara hakuno. Richard we.
It would be us, man.
Nari mbizi ko turi buze kuba nitwe mwana umusa.
Come on, shit happens, right?
Rimwe na rimwe ibintu bijya biba mwana. Ni wa mukobwa ngo baturanye na wa musore bahuye ngo bita timu. Bisanze bari muri equipe imwe to. Chance Richard.
That's us.
Ngo nitwe bahamagaye mwana. Nitwe bwe bahamagaye. Umugabo menye yaje muri The Running Man ndapfuye.
To add life to your days.
Hakuno to.
Not days to your life.
Hari umugabo uri hano wambaye gutyo bamwita makani twamubonye n'umwe mu bahigi babahiga abantu bashaka kubica. Ntimuze kugira gute ntimuze guhomba amasiganwa ari buze kuba nyuma kuri televiziyo bari kwamamaza show.
I always thought this was fake.
Nahoze ntekereza ko ibi bintu biba ari fake. Mwebwe muciye kwiruka.
No.
Ntago wakwiruka ngo ucike ikigonga kuko none ndi kumva ari ibyanyabyo mwana. Rebe sibyo basore.
Feeling really osa.
None ndi kumva ibintu ari ibyanyabyo. Rebe hakuno umugabo afite ubwoba yambaye agapfuma kiwe.
Every second, y'all.
Hakuno wa mbere bamucanyo. Rebe
Hey, Dan Richards, never would have made it without you.
Niweho mwana ntago nari kuba nageze hano udahari utanka baracagiye. Hakuno batangira kwerekana amashusho y'abagiye muri The Running Man imbere. Umugabo menye yagiye muri The Running Man n'igisurubeti yambaye cyanditse inyuguti ya RM Running Man. Cyafite agasogisi k'umwana we.
Hey, so far so good. Don't worry, we'll keep it down.
Rebe hakuno
Mr. Richards?
Mr. Richards nawe arinjira. Na ofisi bari kwinjiramo hano bagasohoka bakomeza bajya ahandi. Ubundi umuntu w'umugabo ntago yakabaye atinya urupfu. Kubera ko wasanga wenda urupfu aricyo kintu umuntu acamo agatangira kubaho ubundi buzima tutazi.
Dan
Killian niko banyita.
Relax.
Icara sha. Akabaye bafite amategeko kugira ngo mujye mumenye uko mufata abakire kirazira gusanga umukire muri ofisi ye. Kambagira inama muzabura amafaranga.
Running Man represents a return to the barbarism
Nubwo abantu benshi bajya bavuga ngo Running Man gira gutya kagarura urugomo mu
the
bantu.
Roman Colosseum.
Ngo nkuko byagendaga kera muri za arena zo mu Baromani ba kera Colosseum. Roman Colosseum hahandi kera ba Spartacus bajyaga barwana n'abandi nkabo. Kera ntago ariko kera ntago ndi bukine The Running Man ariko.
Aware of your family crisis.
Zikibazo umuryango wawe ufite cy'ubukene.
And I think the contents of this envelope will help.
Kandi niyo mpamvu muri urwo rwego nkeka ko envelope yagufasha umugabo arakennye.
If we come to an agreement,
kera nawe turamutse twemera.
Yours to keep.
Iyi envelope yabi yawe ukayigumana. Reba hakuno bamukubise $100 200 $100 akera muri 500.
I'll do any other show.
Oya ndakora indi show bana The Running Man.
One's ever won on another show is 1,000 ND and I
N'ubundi amafaranga mu zindi show batsindira amenshi abari igihumbi.
know it sounds like a tremendous sum,
Kandi ndumva ari amafaranga ataguhagije pe.
but it's not enough to get your family out of
Yego
slump.
ni amafaranga nibyo ariko ntago ahagije kuba yavana umuryango wawe.
Aside for good.
Muri iriya karitsiye yakwepa kinongo
Running Man.
n'itsamura bubitse umutwe ngo ibinongo bitabaguye.
And merely surviving a single week,
Ariko ugiye muri Running Man niyo warokoka icyumweru kimwe.
we put the Richards in the top 1% of global wealth.
Byatuma uzamuka ukajya mu bantu b'abakire ba mbere kuri iyi si Richards we.
For yourself. Page 66.
Irebere kuri page ya 6 aho ngaho muri izo dokima nkoherereje. Hakuno to. Kuri page ya 6 umaze iminsi 8 ubu maze gutsindira $86,000 by'amadolari. Bitekerezo.
I'm not trying to get myself killed.
Je nago chaka kuza kwicwa wa mugabo.
I'll be honest with you.
Reka mubwize ukuri rero mwana Richard. Bwize ukuri nk'umugabo mugenzi.
This to every contestant.
Naganiriye n'abantu benshi baje baza gukinira irushanwa rya Running Man biri kugerageza kumwinjizamo kandi yaje gukina andi marushanwa.
First time I've really meant it.
Ariko nibwo bwa mbere ngiye kukubwira ibi bintu mbikomeje byanyabyo. Uranyumva?
You have what it takes to win this game.
Ufite icyo byasaba kugira ngo utsinde uyu mukino.
Our viewers have a burning desire to see a runner go the distance, and we've had
abantu bareba ikiganiro cyacu show yacu bamaze igihe kinini batabona umuntu ubasha guhangana ngabe yamara iminsi myinshi.
and come close. 29 days in season 1.
Umuntu wagerageje kugera kuri yamaze iminsi 29 muri season ya mbere kandi ubundi arabari iminsi 30 habuze umunsi umwe kuva icyo gihe.
It's going to take somebody special to go the full.
Nta wundi muntu urakora ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo urumva rero ko biri buze gusaba undi muntu udasanzwe
30.
kugira ngo yuzuze iminsi 30.
Hurts. So I looked through your
Naciye kumaze kwibonera amafaranga ukuntu abahagaze.
employment history
Nanjye ndaje nze ndebe muri employment history yawe aho wagiye ukora nimba ufite experience.
and had my assistant shoot me your highlights.
Reka umwunganizi wanjye aza binyoherereze turebe hakuno kumwereka.
It's the most thrilling 10 seconds of video I've seen all year.
Muri uyu mwaka wose iyi niyo video nubwo ifite amasegonda 10 niyo video iritirira nabonye nyine ishishikaje kuri baranyirukanye hariya
hired by DefenseNet, the best.
Ariko waje gusubira mu kazi DefenseNet baguha akazi
downtown.
Kandi bahemba neza.
Best dog shit, still dog shit.
Ikimbwa yanzushira hireba mwana ikimbwa bari iki.
And why bet?
Yaje hakuno shakandi hano yacumbi kureba. Bari kumuhiga bizwe bakune sanseri yaranapfuye do. Fungo yibaniyemo hagati cyacya. Hano sinzi igikarita yahabonye. Fayo. Chega cyucuca mu gace yitonze. Ayidero kase kugera bimbeba nazo zikarimo cyane de souris. Aziminsi mbona zinyataka. Agiye mumenya ko umugisha wawe abaru wawundi ari uwundi.
Gotta make another one of these tapes.
Gomba gufata indi tape hawo.
The guy who followed the police. I showed him.
Teka naho ziri umugabo ugendera ku mategeko. Byiza.
Hasn't done much for me, obviously.
Cyo byigeze bimfasha habe namba.
I mean, I'm on the murder show.
Gerano ibonera urumogi hano muraro baratsimbye utuntu twano kugera nabona iburako akwibaya.
A grown-ass man playing hide and seek for money.
Nabaye umugabo mukuru ukina ya mikino kwisha tugashakanya nk'abana ariko bikora amafaranga hano gerenade. Mani shimwe.
I think I'll just lay low.
Nakeka nkeneye kubanza gutuza itadomeka rwara mu gihe sanze hano do. Ahita vana mibiri dore hayi.
Depraved. Demonic.
Kwereka twigarukire kuri Free V. Ni sheni cisha iki? Cisha imache musina isi dre ababirimo cyane yabyivanze.
And find out.
Rich and bold, it's those Americanos.
Rebano.
How do you like this energy wine? I'm a big fan. Love it. How about you?
Ako wine urayikunda ndayikunda ndetse cyane.
You, Bill.
Hanyuma se we Bill.
My favorite thing, John.
Ako naga hotel yacumbitsemo kuri hasabo n'abagabo babasinzi bamwe babinywera byeri muri karitsiye kuri boutique do.
Why do we all have the same voice?
Undi ko iki twese tugira ijwi rimwe. Rebano.
Relax, Ben.
Amasaha yo kohereza indi mail cyangwa se cya kimese cya gikasete yohereza cya video arabura amasaha 3 n'iminota 5. Jendi kumbe hakuno hari nu. Uwo byashaguye. Byiza kongera kukubona Frank do. Jendi imbeba do uriya mukinga. Umuntu uri hano ufite ibibazo byo mu mutwe bana n'uburwayi bwo mu mutwe. Byibura wowe uranavuga. Umva ari kunuka ajyaye. Ego ukuntu ndi kunuka fata agasabune hano shiramo ubusiripa. Fite ububuno bubi gusa po.
I'll do it in the bathtub. Wait a minute. Great. But we do have to return.
Hakuno.
Da.
Kigali we. Inzu yawe nzayitwika. Hakuno. Taragenda ariko.
We're hugging even if we know.
Ariko kureba umugabano.
Hey, Frank.
Frank nawe rero uracanganye. Umusazi wibereye hano byajago. Amakuru atari ivumbi muri running man. Abavayo. Tekereza wa musazi yareba gasi yatangira kumwibuka ariko nkuzi cyaje no kureba bari modoka z'abahigi ziraparitse baje kumuhiga sasa wa musazi wari uri hano hasi n'abagabo bari bigize abasinzi ba muri karitsiye niwe baje guhiga ni babahigi nyagasani ndapfuye tazakuno fungura cobe harafunze do winjano subira mu cyumba cyawe wagisaza witsimba mu gihe hakuno bahigi baje Jendi kuri kuro ya gatatu on 3 yiteye betamo subiramo indani to shakuno utoilette sinzi kujya gucamo inyuma harafunze harimo amafera beto bashyizemo amagriage nkeneye kira gikapu nkeneye igikapu cyanje nkeneye igikapu ndakora iki banza kura hakuno kantu kakuma ni kirahure hano kiro byabishikarete yarari mahekenya akora retroviseur koze retroviseur abacinyuma itazamuka yirukanka
I saw Ben Richards.
yamubonye Ben Richards ari kumanuka hasi yirukanka itazamuka hejuru barangira kari hasi wahitazamuka hejuru zamutse hejuru kuri rooftop y'inyubako ngeze hejuru nimbaje kwareba ikisinzi maze iminsi ngo ndari kuba filime sinzi gikuba cyari cyacitse ariko ngo imihanda yari yacurami se komba nasigiye babahunga ikibuga nkabona nta kintu bari kukimaza kanigarukira imyikorera n'ubundi yo ntahari mbona hapfa byinshi kize gutya baje kumuhiga baje ebe manukiye hakuno kigozi kiziritse hejuru amanuka ku nyubako arashaka kumanuka akajya muri afro yiwe yabagamo kujya kureba igikapu hakuno
confirming the location. I can reveal to you now. The runner is Ben Richard.
Televiziyo nta kindi iri kuvuga kumena hakuno do. Nabanje imana.
Mr. Richards, talk the talk.
Nguri dirisha no.
Find out if he can walk the walk.
Birahure biragwa baramwumva.
3. Chief McCone.
Yes, ndabakeneye tugaruke.
The hunters have found their man.
Chief McCone yavuze ko abahigi bamaze kubona umugabo bashaka gato. Hakuno umugabo arabanza arava muri ya esuberi yambuye. Ntaho kwirukanyira nta naho kwisha. Kubera ko bagiye guhiga bamufatiye mu nzu nta hantu ari mu bacikiri. Nta makuru ari gucaho live kuri Freevee. Ni sheni icisha iki no mukino bayita Freevee. Na za drone kamera zamaze kwinjira mu nyubako do. Bapakira utuntu twe yagira na kamwe asiga hakuno sano gufatirana ya grenade yitoraguriye aba ni abahigi bari hanze y'icyumba rishara arimo bicaza arabona icyumba arimo bakimenye amasatsu faye umugabo ahita ku mugozi ndagiye do manuka gutyo biranga kubera iki hakuno dore Chief McCone uhigi mukuru do bravo byiza cyane aramufite baje kumuhiga anuka gutyo yijugunya mu yindi mfuro sanga umuraro uri kwinywera urugiye rigukuramo ibiri yadomitse umusa usiko ndi kukureba kuri ya shoni ya televiziyo yitwa Freevee ngwiki kizwa n'amaguru kugera hakuno bari kumubona ari gukata jabiti sasa umugabo simba hakuno fata drone yaretse kumfata ibyo bifite ubyanya ariko kimena ikidrone ahiji bafayo isanzere ramanuka sinzi arayibana irongera iripfungura do jefite grenade mwana shugunyira grenade back at you kayikiva mu kanwa ka nyirayo subira n'ibyawe ndapfuye shugunya hejuru esanzere iracika umugabo amanuka gutyo sinzi sekura hasi sanga muri basement y'inyubako kira gutya sanga muri basement y'inyubako rero sinzi cyane ko yabonye ibintu by'ibita baracana rebe ko yabona urumuri ntago ari kureba hano kureba basement isohokera hanze kuri hano sinzi byatwitse sakuna arabanza arabafungirana icyo umugabo akeneye ni ukwimarira iminsi itarani hakuno harimo amaparufe atangira guturagurika parufe nazo buriya ni gaze zigezemo umuriro ziraturagurika hakuno masasu kureba hano abona imbeba ziba zizinzira zapanya kurasa hano barasihombe ya gaze irameneka nyagasani atinze mwana araturikiramo dore gaze hano hagiye guturika mugende mwana gaze baramumva ihita yimanukira yarababuriye manuka cyo manuka mucyo sinzi cheza mano gaze yaraturitse kabum dore inyubako yose iraturika n'abahigi bose bari baje kumuhiga kubita hasi muri siwa muri amazi muri amahombo na bya na za nzira zijyana amazi mabi yo muri toilette n'ibiki no muri dushe ewana kureba hano imbeba zamweretse inzira imbeba ziba zizi inzira zapanye shaka agomba gutanga afite mu masaha atarenze angahe hakuno
I'm still here.
ndacyari hano okarya amazira mu kimwe shiriras tayari mu makuru amabara yabaye aho uyu mugabo yabashije kwica 8 mu barinzi ba network. Hakuno ibintu byose bibereye tayari. Filime witonze. Hakuno ari cyana kiri hano do. Cyana kiri hano mukiri kureba do. Ebe.
Hey, come on out.
Musazamuka mwana vayo.
I know you're here.
Nabizi kuri hano vayo. Chiwarwano.
Get off me.
Chigukariko.
It wasn't me.
Wewe ntanze. Nako yari je.
I ain't no rat.
Je nako ndimbeba nako ndi snitch.
Go.
Tekura
get big bro to take care of you.
Je kuzana mukuru wanje kwite.
You think your big bro can kick my ass after what I just went through?
Uracheka nyuma y'ibyo nanyuzemo mukuru wawe yankubita kanjo.
I'm not gonna kick your ass.
Nagaje kugukubita mu
cyo.
Agiye gutabara gatafari. Chene ubufasha. Hakuno urwana ruri hano.
Gotta get off these streets, man.
Bantufe kuri imihanda ariko yahuye n'icana kiri kumubwira ibintu.
Zooms all up in this.
Hano hari amabande ari za kamera. Byose na bitch. Kandi buri muntu wese ari kuguhiga, sibyo?
Hey, yo, stay here.
Wewe kumana utash. Ticyaje kasete cy'umugabo agomba kuripotinga. Ndagufite mwana Richards. Cyana cyize kimutabare, kimutangire kasete kuko wageze hano baramwica baramushaka barabizi ko agomba kuhagera jugunya mwana. Bamweherereza dead gun bonus. $80 80 nyagasani. Yamabanda pire hari ahantu biturikiye. Babaze ko ari ubaturikije. Tugeze ku munsi wa kangahe? Wa 5. Munsi wa 5. Ebe. Sorry waje hakuno.
Nah.
Aya.
Told you.
Sinakubwiye se?
Ben Richards.
Ben Richards.
Sorry
nimba yarakinnye muri All American harya yakinnye mu ye. Munyibutse.
Of the love update. How the hell you?
Hakuno. Twitsimbe mwana. Hakuno ni umwana ngo namukuru nabishura mwana.
Get me off the street for the night.
Mukamvana kuri iyi mihanda ijoro. Kare. Uraduhereza $5.
We need streamers.
Dukeneye imiti yo ku muhanda mwana.
My sister got cancer.
Rata dufite mushiki wacu urwaye kanseri. Kandi ararembye.
Make it 10.
Okay, nimba ari ibyo muyagira 10 nimba mufite mushiki wanyu urwaye ntari bimujye kumugura imiti.
God damn.
Mumushakira imiti mizima. Nawe urwaje umwana arabizi uko bimera.
Hell of a price on your head.
Mwana uzi igiciro kiri ku mutwe wawe.
How fast can you run, Richards?
Wakwirukanga bingana iki Richards?
Faster every day.
Je buri munsi mba nirukanka ariko.
Just a shocking amount of destruction here. The NCG on tactical alert.
Ikindi cyabaye batangiye gucizwa n'amaguru kuri televiziyo nta kindi kiro n'amahano umugabo yakoze.
The NCG bomb squad is on scene combing through the rubble for evidence.
Abashinzwe gutegurura ibisasu no gupima uko byagenze bahageze.
Preliminary reports indicate Richards set off the explosion in the basement.
Bavuze yuko Ben Richards ari we wateze ibiturika muri basement iriya nyubako.
His body is yet to be found.
Ariko umurambo we ntago barawubona abana bamuzanye iwabo tu. Hano hari akana karwaye baba bari gushyushya ibitoyi n'inshinge n'amapepeti. Iserenge harya ni senyenge. Kana karwaye hakuno.
You can set your grandkids up for life with one recording report.
You think the network would rather pay us reward money?
Umwana uriya mwana mwamuvuza mwakora nk'akantu kamwe muri ariya marushanwa mukamuvuza urakeka network batwishyura.
Make up some bullshit and arrest us.
Bahita bagira ibyo badushinza bakadufa.
Have to get your sister real forms.
Ese wabaha amafaranga ahagije yo kuvuza mushiki wawe.
500 new.
Reka tuvuge ko mbahaye $500 y'inote nshyashya.
I can get you out of Boston.
Nahita nkuvana muri umujyi Boston.
But it won't be for money.
Ariko ntabwo naba mbikoreye amafaranga mwana. Musa.
This dude ain't going nowhere.
Uyu murara n'ubundi nta hantu yajya.
Goons got the hood surrounded.
Amabandi yazengurutse ikaritsiye yose.
Stop.
Rekeraho mwana. Hakuno hari akana karwaye.
Little pinch and everything's gonna be okay.
We ni akantu gatoya ngiye kukujomba uburibwe bugahita bugenda. Akana karwaye hano. Karwaye kanseri.
Find out tomorrow night.
Akora ishara aracyari muzima cyangwa tuzabimenya ejo. Hakuno yaza kuzima igiteleviziyo.
No, you seem like a smart cat.
Mwana umenye uri umuhanga ariko.
What made you sign up to be a cog in their
Ubundi niki cyatumye ujya gusinyira kuza muri ibi bintu? Nizi propaganda zababaga.
I'm just trying to take care of my family.
Nari ndi kugerageza kwita ku muryango wanjye musore.
Just like you and your sister.
Nkuko nawe na mushiki wawe bimeze. Bamwita John.
But my kid was sick.
Ubwo umwana wanjye yararwaye.
Sent my wife enough to get her well.
Nawoherereje umugore wanjye amafaranga ahagije yo kuvuza umwana.
Now I'm trying to win enough to get them out.
None ubu ndi kugerageza gutsindira menshi yo kubavana mu bibazo.
She's only 2.
Umwana wanjye afite imyaka 2
If I do my job,
rero ndamutse nkoze akazi kanjye.
I'll even remember Slumside.
Ntabwo umwana wanjye yazongera kwibuka ngo gutura muri Kwepa Kinonko ni gute.
I can get you past that blockade.
nakurenza ziriya bariyeri zose ziri hano muri uyu mujyi.
Couple days to set it up, so.
Ariko biraza kunsaba iminsi mbipange.
How'd out here in the meantime?
Rero ugiye kuba witsibye hano muri iyo minsi.
You know, you could go to full 30 if you play smart.
Urabizi kuramutse ukoranye ubwenge iminsi 30 wayimara.
And what makes you such an expert?
Ni iki kikugira umuhanga kuri urwo rwego musaba?
Tune in and find out.
Oye tegereza uzaba ubibona. Tune in and find out.
The pulpit.
Urakaza neza muri pulpit sha. Sore hano afite ikintu cy'igi studio mu rugo.
I want just enough.
Tangiye kumwereka ama video y'abandi bagiye bakina uriya mukino mbere yiwe. Do.
What goes on behind the scenes of the biggest freebie show of all time?
Ni ibiki bibera inyuma y'amakamera mutajya mubona inyuma y'amarido muri freebie.
Apostle, episode 30.
Kaza neza kuri Apostle episode ya 30 umusore ufite ikiganiro cyiwe n'abajya yikorera.
And distribute. The network has 3 types for every run.
Network ubundi baba bafite abantu b'ubwoko butatu muri buri masiganwa bagiye gutegura.
Type 1, hopeless dude.
Type ya mbere aba ari umuntu udafite ibyiringiro.
Hopeless dude is cursed with a fatal misunderstanding of human nature.
Ni wa muntu utabasha gusobanukirwa kamere y'ikiremwa muntu.
He usually lasts less than 48 hours.
Ntajya arenza amasaha 48. Yari team baramwe.
And get me.
Naje mukamfata.
Sir, pal. Oh, damn.
Kuno uyu musore agiye afite amavideo y'uburyo bagiye bicwamo yamaze.
Type 2, negative dude.
Hanyuma uwa kabiri ni umuntu utabona ibintu nk'uko abandi babiri.
Negative dude knows he ain't got a chance in hell.
Yewe nta n'amahirwe yabona uko byagenda kose.
Supposed to go out with a bang.
Nimba amaze gutangira gukora ibiciro atangira kubisohokamo. Ubuzima bwanjye burarenze sha.
Smoke by the end of week 1 because he buys too much ass and not enough food.
Impamvu bamwishe nuko yaguze udutafari twica kwibagirwa ubwenge umwirukansa.
He often serves himself up.
Kuno nawe.
Suck this in hell.
Murakapfa.
Run her down. Type 3.
Hanyuma umuntu wa gatatu rero.
Oh yeah. Final dude.
Wa undi wanyuma final dude.
Final dude has a fierce will to
niwe mfite ubwenge bwabasha kurokoka byibu.
Never wins. The network cheats.
Kubera ko network baramwiba bategura amarushanwa.
They can find anyone anytime.
Kuko baba bashaka ari we wese aho yaba ari hose kanya kari kukose.
They let him run
13 days and just like
Papa
always said you can try but you can't catch a ghost.
Wagerageza ariko ni wafata umuzimu na amavideo y'abandi bagiye bakina uriya mukino The Running Man imbere uyu musore ari kumwereka.
By the end of week 2, ratings usually peak.
Oh shit.
The crowd, blood and final dude becomes a victim of his own success. From destiny.
Sinzi n'iki byose.
But they never outrun fate.
Uko yagira kose ntabwo yabasha kubacika. Uwo ni Jema ko.
I'm the running man.
Muri Running Man do. Musya mu bupande pande.
That's game.
Rest in peace.
Is that supposed to inspire me?
Urachekira ibyari kumfasha ikisi byari kunteringa mu
Come on, man.
Yego mwana.
Don't you get it?
Ese nako bibona.
After that escape tonight, live, prime time.
Nyuma yuko wacitira ijoro live abantu bose babireba.
You are final dude.
Ni wewe final dude, ni wewe wanyuma wabasha kurokoka.
Gonna squeeze every last drop of ratings out of your ass.
Bagiye kugukamura bagukamuremo buri kantu kose kari gutuma abantu bagukunda. Bari kurebira irushanwa.
So negative dude flames out to get somewhere safe, which gives us enough time to set you up for the biggest underdog win in game show.
Tugomba gukora ngiye kugushakira ukuntu ba witsinze biduha igihe cyo gupanga uburyo uri buze gutsinda aya marushanwa. Aba ari wowe uyatsinze byanyabyo mateka.
So where the hell is safe?
Hehe ni hitsimbye rero hehe ndaba nitsimbye.
Working on it.
Nabyo ndi kubikoraho mwana agenda gake. Genda gake ufite ikihe kibazo. Niko. Hakuno.
Pal, it's been a while.
You sure you know what you're
doing? Yego mwana, hari yaciye maka. Ibintu uri gukora urabizi neza mugabo.
Guess we'll find out.
Ndakeka turaza kureba hano hari kwizinieri yibanye.
Package headed your way. Yeah, special delivery as seen on Freevee.
Ni gipfunyika kidasanzwe abonye kuri Freevee.
Okay.
Okay. Ndabona ubikoze. Bana bibanira n'umumama wabo.
And pick up location B. Got it.
Sawa, location ndayo.
Baby.
Hakuno.
Okay.
Takana karwaye. Yebe. Abo yashano. Kareba kana karwa kibuka umugore we. N'umwana we nicyo cyatumye nabaza muri aya marushanwa.
A 5-year-old get lung cancer.
Ese uriya mwana ungana kuriya ni gute yarwaye kanseri yo mu bihaha.
Radioactive dust.
Ni umukungu gurimo ama radioactive umwana uri mu burozi bwica.
From the Rhode Island explosion.
Kuri Rhode Island haje guturika.
I heard about that.
Ko ntigeze mbyumva.
You never heard of it because the network owns the news.
Impamvu utabyumvishije nuko network ubwereka tubyite nka leta aribo bayobora itangazamakuru barigenera icyo rivuga.
They own that munitions factory just
aribo bagena inganda zikora intwaro.
Like they own the government.
Nibo bafite leta mwana.
Comply with safety regs, right?
iki cyari gutuma biraburiza kandi bari bafite umutekano. Nukuri ya mwana Junior arwaye. Yahumetse umwuka urimo uburozi, urimo ama radioactive.
Execs. Not the technicos. If you live I'm talking to the people in the co-ops. Their job, the squatter tribes, the kids getting shot. They're looking at a goon the wrong way. There's something you all need to know. The network is giving our kids cancer and they're bring it up. I'm still here, you shit eaters. Ladies and gentlemen, last night, 7 men and 1 woman gave their lives to protect ours. Their country only matched by the love for their children.
Kubera urukundo bakunda igihugu cyabo n'abana babo. Hakuno babandi uyu mugabo yaturikije nta nubwo ari we baturikije barashanu hari imitiyo ya gazi irabashwanyaguza ariko bari kubishinzwe.
Someone chose to end the lives of these 8 heroes. And that's
umuntu wagerageje wafashe umwanzuro kurangiza ubuzima bw'aba bantu bw'izi ntwari 8.
Someone was Ben Richards.
Kandi uwo muntu nawe ni Ben Richards.
His new tape just arrived. Let's see what he has to say about it.
Tape yiwe cyangwa se cassette yifashe video irahageze reka twumve ibyo avuga.
For all you watching, not the execs, not the technicals. If you live in a tower uptown, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the people in the co-ops. The water tribes, the ones who can't get a job. The kids getting shot. They're looking at a goon. Something you all need to know. I laughed my ass off smoking those goons. Laughing at the screams. I was laughing at their kids. Now you know how it felt when Daddy did it to someone else. Say that. About the network. What kind of world are we living in?
Isi dusigaye tubamo ni bwoko cyangwa isi na isi barabivanze mugabo aramubeshyeye kandi birafashe.
Now 20,000 new dollars.
Ikindi cyabaye abana bakomeje kumufasha bamuzanye hakuno tu.
It's getting crazy out here.
Hakuno.
Yeah, we gotta roll. You ready?
Ese uriteguye tugende twagiye. Tugende kabisa. Hakuno. Debe. Zigurcha shaw baradukurikiye mwana baradukurikiye umugabo ari kubyumva ngo abana nimba ari ndu bakurikiye sinzi hakuno baracyadukurikiye mwana nje kubumva mwana hakuno umutwe muri putu y'imodoka mwana urimo ibinogo za pothole urimo ibintu by'ibinogo masasa byivangamo Here, hakuri kureba. Hakuna abakurikiye. Kurikiye sinzariko. Baya cyawe. Fata. Urupfunguzo rw'ipine kubita hakurya. Warasigara sinzariko. Ahita funga. Yahita funga bigishyushye. Nta umusa tugende. Fata feri.
You good?
Meze neza mwana. Meze neza. Wagwa barashimye muyasu subira inyuma gonga imbwashunya hakurya nibere mwana ewa nibikorye turabigonze twijenge kureba barabigonze bahita bikomereza imbere abana babiri biyemeje gufasha iki gufasha Ben Richards ngatsinda y'amarushanwa
My pen pal needs a day to prep transport to a shelter. You can trust him with your life. Just don't mention hot dogs around the man.
nk'amasosiso yabo amasosiso cyangwa sausage nazo ni za hot dogs.
Hot dogs?
Yep. Simvuga ijambo hot dogs.
Go catch that slow train to Maine. Less people in the sticks.
Dufate gari ya moshi yerekeza muri Maine.
But keep your head down and don't trust
anyone. Kandi utakira umuntu wizeye.
This guy.
Usibye uyu murara wenyine ngo utumye abari wenyine wizeye.
Down for the call.
Bamwita Elton Hardcore.
You really think this will work?
Look, we
know they track the envelopes. You pre-shoot the rest of your self-tapes, my man. Head south, drops them on the way while I get safe. On the ground, they won't know. Must die. Just in case. Helping me. We don't got each other's back. This game's over before it even begins.
The network fakes these self-tapes, but they just do something instead. Dear Diary, I woke up with the blahs today. My regular gig of killing time for a me day.
So I breakfast in bed. I blew up a courthouse. I know. Creature of habit. I'm gonna make love to an illegal immigrant sheep. You know how sheep tells you it's horny.
But we'll see you as the last laugh when Macomb catches him lacking. Now, let's see if Miss Laughlin has burned through the last of her running money.
We're still here! Damn, Richard, that's a tough act to follow, but...
Definitely her.
Laughlin, real. Sheep boy's going down.
No way.
I got 10 clams, says Ben Rich next.
Oh, come on.
Piss the network off all the way.
That's why he's gonna win. The guy. Yeah, he's one of us. Take it up, boy. Final runner. That's a bet. Damn straight.
Seen this Richards guy?
No. But he sounds like quite the character.
He's blind, you fucking idiot.
Me again. Look, here's the real deal. Out here trying to fight the power. I'm not to have fun. I need to win and get back to my family. See me throwing parties. Don't see me at all.
Just in time, Father. It's the best takeout in Maine.
Keep clear. Keep clear. This is a soft life.
Hey, Father.
Paddy.
Can I ask you something?
My
son. I got this girlfriend. Okay.
Okay?
Am I going to hell for using rubbers?
You will go for not using them. I have 10 brothers and sisters. My father said he was in hell every single day.
Papa yajyaga avuga ngo ni mukuzimu buri munsi iyo twabaga turi mu rugo kugira abavandimwe 10 n'ubundi abana 10 mu rugo umeze nk'uri kuzimu utanayikoresheje urumva waba uri mukuzimu.
Thanks, Father.
Urakoze Pad.
Have a good night.
Gira ijoro ryiza.
Careful out there.
Kandi wirinde aho ngaho ugiye. Padre ni majana kurebera mu kirahure hakuno. Rebe mu kirahure. Bano mugabo ari kumufata video yakumenye.
guy who stops me from seeing my daughter again?
Urakeka ari we mugabo ugiye kumbuza kujya kureba umwana wanje kigwa kiwe. Ahita ashyiramo hano, ahita acaho, ahita ashyiraho hano rwandika, ahita acaho, ahita yikomereza to. Kijijwe n'amaguru icyo joro, nako nta n'ubwo ari urwandiko n'itepo agomba kohereza. Kera hakuno mukurikira bamukurikiye. Bamukurikira wewe hakuno, ujya kwitira padiri ntabwo twe itarenga senyenge. Hakuno, ari kumuhiga baje, kira gutya. Umusore yamukurikiye. Ahita yijugunya muri gari ya moshi hakuno. Yijugunya muri gari ya moshi hakuno, ahita yivamo ajya mu yindi igaruka inyuma.
Fuck you, Richards! Die!
Kijarisha wo kapfa we pibyupfa. Tugeze ku munsi wa kangahe wa 13. Aba masaha n'iminota 15.
Fellow citizens. And let me make this clear.
For
the cheap seats. If on this show I died for the two things I believe in. My wife and my kid. And everyone else can fuck off.
Hari kampeni yatangiye. Richards leaves abantu bose bari kumuburanira ishara agomba kubaho. Aje hakuna abantu bari kureba free share televiziyo kino kiganiro The Running Man. Waza kureberamo nk'abandi bose do.
She rolled the dice on a very public appearance at the Holy Grail Casino.
Wa mukobwa nawe ari gukina urusimbi do. Mukobwa ari gukina urusimbi ski. Keza nasanga mukobwa. Umukobwa hakuno nagiye cyamamare kazi umukobwa arabizarika abahigi bamugezeho aracika ya mukobwa wundi nawe uri gukina amasigaye. Umukobwa aracike wana n'abacike mu baginga. Umukobwa yari kureba Ben Richards ari kureba kunabaho umukobwa murakari kiri iki n'iki kirano bafata pose uyo.
Not so fast, Miss Laughlin. No blaze of glory for you. Just candle fizzling out.
Aje kumufata baramutwika nawe.
Now I know
yarabibonye.
Bobby T, you didn't get the key.
Bobby T akari we bamwishe.
We didn't. Hey there! Meet Chef and Cheeto, brave defenders of their community. Hold the tape!
Sorry, hunters. All you managed to kill was my vibe. The kids don't drink and drive. Bless
That's some hot footage. Jeff and Cheeto will receive a lifetime supply of Fun Twink cereal. And then there was one.
Ben Richards. Ben Richards ni usigaye.
Successful contestants since season 1.
Abantu bari kumufana tugeze ku munsi wa 10 na kangahe 13 mwibuke ari ahantu ari kwerekeza.
Come on, hurry. Hunters will be out.
Bahiji mukanya bizi baraba bari hano hanze.
Things are going to start ramping up.
Ibintu bitangiye kuba ikibazo.
Surprised if they fire up the DNA sniffers tonight.
Sindi buze gutungurwa nibohereza DNA sniffers iri joro.
I don't want anything else. I don't need anyone.
Shirano. Sanga umukecuru nawe ari kureba televiziyo umukecuru uri muri inzu kwa musore bamwereje ngo amufashe.
I'm not looking for any friends. Don't ask for an autograph.
Alfie! What if he's in dairy?
He's not in dairy, Mom.
Wasanga uyu musore ari muri izi karitsiye zacu za
It's fine. She thinks you're an actual demon, but she's fairly deaf. We can use our normal voices.
Twakoresha amajwi asanzwe ikibi nuko haza.
Well, bastard.
Icyo kinyendaro mukinyice. Muyarabyumva.
Hunt him down!
Muhige imbwa.
She used to be a kind, clever woman.
Yahoze ari umugore mwiza w'umwana mwiza mama.
This is where it all happens.
Aha byose byabereye.
Amateur lab for making handcrafted soap, far as you know.
Hakuno ari laboratoire iri hano.
Normal, non-revolutionary literature. Wink, wink. My harmless community newsletter.
Drift? So, what's a DNA sniffer?
Black ops scanners that ID highly fragmented strands of DNA. These things are hidden in every street lamp across the country, which is why you gotta get underground ASAP.
ariyo mpamvu iyo bitangiye ubukeneye kujya ahantu munsi y'ubutaka vuba cyane byihuse iyo batangiye gukoresha DNA sniffers ubundi to sniff nuguhunahuna kwa kundi mbwa zigenda zihunahuna. DNA sniffers rero ni amamashini bagenda bakoresha arimo amadrone arimo n'ibindi bintu byesitaye ku muhanda ku buryo aho uciye hose bahita babona warning bagendeye kuri DNA zawe. Rero ukeneye kujya hehe kujya munsi y'ubutaka nko mu buvumo cyangwa
Man, if you want to ask, just ask.
Mwana niba arico ushaka kumbaza kimbaza.
What is that? What's a hot dog cart?
Kiriya gikati cyanditseho hot dog kandi baramubujije.
My dad was a cop.
Papa yari umupolisi.
A good cop.
Yari umupolisi w'umwana mwiza.
Quit in protest when the network privatized local police.
Yasezeye akazi bitewe n'ukuntu network ari itangiye gufata abapolisi ashaka kwikorera nk'umupolisi wo muri quartier bisa.
Officers should be accountable to the towns that pay them, not the government.
Yatekerezaga yuko umupolisi abagomba gukorera abantu bamuhemba apana guverinoma imuha amategeko.
Sure as hell not some megacorp.
Yari umupolisi mwiza.
We bought the cart.
Nibwo yaje kugura iki kimashini gikora hot dogs.
Busted his ass. We never missed a meal.
Akigifite ntitwigeze tubwirirwa cyangwa tubura.
Better an honorable hot dog vendor than a crooked goon.
Yaragiye yicururiza hot dogs kurusha kubibandi rikorera leta.
But his friends who signed on with the NCG didn't appreciate his choices.
Ariko abapolisi bari bamaze gusinira NCG bakoranaga nawe ntago bigeze bishimira ko yari abavuyemo agiye gucuruza ibyo bituzi.
They let him know every chance they got. He made damn sure we were safe in this house.
Nta kindi cyabaye rero. Papa yamenye neza ko atwereje mu nzu ahantu turinzwe.
Every time he took that card out.
Buri gihe yasohokanaga kiriya kimashini agiye guhiga ibiceri.
Well, you see what it did to my mom.
Ndakiye kubonye ibyo bakoreye mama bari abapolisi.
That's what they did to my dad.
Ni nabyo bakoreye data rero.
His buddies on the force never solved the case. They're the ones who killed him. But you can't kill an idea.
Muzee bakimara kumwica abamwishe abapolisi bakoranaga nawe ntago bigeze bagerageza kugira gute gushaka uwamwishe cyangwa se ngabiryozwe.
Dad was their worst.
Ikindi kintu na kimwe bigeze babikora ariko buriya wakwica igitera wakwica ikibimutera.
A free man with a conscience.
Data yego yari ameze nk'umuntu babangamira ariko byangumye.
And everything they destroyed in him lives on in me.
Buri kintu barimbuye cyari muri data gisigaye kiba muri nje.
A nuclear blast.
Bimeze nk'ari igisasu kindimo kizaturika.
It never burns out.
Ariko kitaraturikira hano hanze. Hanyuma.
Monster.
Tumwemo kuri iyi monster sha.
I'm good.
Oya meze neza. Monster ni energy drink nka kuriya wumva ngo super commando bayita super commando ari gimwe regisi ya mama.
Can't outrun fate. You cannot.
Akuno batangiye kumwohereza nawe. Ntago washika ikigomba kukubaho. Ati byo ntago ari ukuri. Yashiramo hano.
Before he was killed, Dad refurbed this Cold War shelter he found in an
yuko data bamwica yarubatse ubuvumo
by forest.
Nako yari yaravumbuye ubuvumo mu ishyamba.
I have a detailed map for how to get there.
Nashushanyije map y'uburyo wageraho hantu.
You can survive down there for 3 years, but you'll
wagenda ukabaho hantu ukabamaramo n'imyaka nk'itatu.
You need it for 2 weeks.
Ariko wicyo ukeneye ni ibyumweru 2 gusa.
Reshoot the rest of your tapes tomorrow.
Ejo nibwo tuzashutinga amatapes yose cyangwa se amakase tuzakenera kugira ngo ukomeze wohereze mu minsi isigaye.
What do you think?
Tekereza iki dushutingiye kuri ishusho ya Che Guevara. Iyi ngiyi seyo.
Maybe just white.
Kwa shutingiye ku y'umweru. Iyi ngiyi. Ni nayo kubita ku mutima sha.
You can be arrested just for having the truth in your house. So these won't be distributed until right after you win.
What the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What to do with me?
A bomb's chemicals hold great power. But without an initiator to make it go boom, it's harmless. You know why they cheered for you down there? They think you just might win. And if you can survive against those chemicals...
What the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What does that have to do with me?
A bomb's chemicals hold great...
Be
distributed until right after you win.
What the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What does that have to do with me?
Chemicals hold great power. But without an initiator to make it go boom, it's harmless. You know why they cheered for you down there?
ese uzi impamvu abantu bari kugushimira mwana?
They think you just might win.
Nuko bazi yuko uzatsinda, niyo mpamvu abantu bona batangiye kugutera ingabo mu bitugu.
You can survive against those goons, so can they.
Niba abasha kugira gute wabasha kuroko kurwana nari amabandi n'abantu babibona nk'iki nka motivation.
People have had it.
Abantu babibona kandi bibarimo.
This country's ready to blow. And you're the
iki gihugu kimeze nkaho cyiteguye guturika kanya kari ko kose, ariko ni wowe mbarutso, ni wowe gishirira.
I'm not the initiator.
Reka ntago ngende imbarutso nta gishirira kindi mo ndakuyana.
I'm a guy trying to get back to his family.
Genda umugabo uri kugerageza gusubira ku muryango.
It's you against the world either way, brother.
Nubundi se kari wowe uhanganye n'isi yose, icyo wakora cyose muvana.
We both.
Wabaye byombi. Umva mukecuru. Ana mukecuru nawe useka ukuntu utamenya.
My mom thinks the bathroom across the hall is haunted, so that's all you.
Mama yaravuze ngo ntago azahagaruka ngo harimo amadayimoni, ubwo nahawe honyine hari haunted.
The light in the hallway is off. She's asleep.
Mukecuru araryamye humura. Musa.
I appreciate what you're doing.
Nagushimira ibyo uri gukora.
But if they find out you helped me, those same goons that got your dad.
Ariko nibaramuka bamenye kuri kumfasha amabandi yishe papa wawe.
They'll come for you.
Nawe bazaguhiga.
You can hope.
Kwereka.
This message is for Kathy.
Ibyumweru bigaye bibiri.
In case you see this on.
Injembo kimaze kuba 52,000 by'idolari. Ibyo mbonye niki cyanasinze. Ebe byumweru bibiri.
This message is for Kathy.
Iyi ni message nohereje Kathy 52,000 hatariho ya bonus y'amabandi yishe.
In case you see this someday. Wanted to impart a little dad advice.
Nuramuka ubonye aka kantu umunsi umwe uzamenye kari inama papa yakugiriye.
Rule 1.
Tegeko rya mbere mwana wanje.
Take care of your mom. She's your best friend.
Uzite kuri mama wawe n'inshuti yawe.
Rule 2.
Tegeko rya kabiri.
Bullies are cowards.
Guserereza abandi n'ubugwa. Umuntu najya guserereza ujye umwishyura.
Rule 3.
Tegeko rya gatatu.
Can be kind and strong at the same time.
Waba umwana mwiza kandi ukaba n'umuntu ukomeye icyarimwe byakunda. Nanyuma.
Rule 4.
Tegeko rya
Don't trust the network.
Ntuzizere network cyangwa abantu bakora ibi bintu.
Ever. And Rule 5.
Tegeko rya gatanu mwana wanje.
You remember, your dad loves you a whole lot.
Ujye wibuka ko papa agukunda kandi cyane.
I'll be looking for you. No matter what.
Nzakomeza ngushakisha ahantu uzajya hari hose mwana wanje. Cyaba cyari cyo cyose. Unyari hano mukecuru aramubona. Yari mbizi kari wowe.
Murderer.
Wacicanye.
Stay away from my elf.
Ujye kure y'umwana wanje mukecuru. Mukecuru.
You'll never eat puppies again.
No.
Jya gukanda ku muruza. Ihuruza bari abantu baza guhigwa umusore mukecuru.
Ma'am.
Mukecuru.
If you press that button,
the NCG will come and fire you.
NCG baraza.
Okay, they will not care who gets caught in the crossfire.
Ntabwo bari buze kuvuga ngo ninduri isasu riri bufate.
It will be a bloodbath.
Harabari ugukaraba amaraso.
Need every goon in the state coming through that door, right?
Niba rero udakeneye ko baza baturutse hari.
Don't.
Ntuhakande. Uyahita yikandira.
What crime would you like to report?
Ni icyaha kimushaka gutanga ni polisi w'amagana.
Ben Richards just broke into my home.
Ben Richards yanyinjiriye mu nzu. Mama yakubonye ubundi yari kubikora ngwino tujede mwana.
5 minutes to fight with these guys.
Yene minota 5 mbere yuko bari abajinga bagera hano.
Grab your stuff, I'll get the zines.
Fata ibintu byawe nanjye ngira ibyo negure wana dore mukecuru wana. Aha arahiye aje wakunahita fata mapu fata ibiki byose apakira yihuse.
It's dangerous.
Ntabwo uri kumva mama ibi ni bibi.
Get in the safe room.
Mama ajya mu cyumba gifite umutekano. Nshaka kubona uriya mujinga bamwica. Nshaka kumubona bamwica. Yararahiye yarahagiye. Humekera hejuru. Dododo. Bahageze. Faya. Bahageze bakiba. Tabazi sansurira vuga sinzi ariko. Dododo. Sansurira vuga. Sansurira cyaravuze. NCG bahageze. NCG ni leta ikorana n'abande. Mama. Arimo hano muri koridoro kintu kibarye niba kiri Nyagasani. Mukecuru. Mukecuru ndeka ngende mwana wanje reka ngende. Nshaka kureba ariko yahita afungirana umukecuru. Ngwino hano mwana ngwino hano tugende. Nabikora igihe mwana ahantu hatariho twe turi hano. Hakuno uteze ibintu utamenya by'ibitsinga by'ibishanyarazi biteza za hakuno ufatira imbunda irasa amazi.
Are you crazy?
Asura umusazi mwana.
We don't have time to play games.
Nta gihe dufite cyo gukina imikino.
Yes, we do.
Turagifite.
Fastest the hunters ever arrived on scene was 4 minutes 30 seconds.
Umuhigi wa mbere ugera hano yihuse arahagera mu minota 4 n'amasegonda 30.
We'll be long gone by that.
Twe turaba twagiye kare. Aba bica hakuno NCG. Nk'abapolisi bo ntago abahigi.
Hey, big boys!
Abagenga mwe muze turi hakuno. Aza hano uyu twabonye yateze ibintu by'ibishanyarazi arabanza pompa imbunda amazi arazamura. Yebe. Baca hakuno yarabareba. Arasa abashanyarazi abahereza bene wabo. Bene wabo. Jengundi inyama ziriho n'agafiriti. Wacikwa ryose ziriho n'inyama wokeje twagiye. Yagira gutya. Sinaho rezano. Twagiye. Ca mu gikuta. Narakurikira umusore inzu ye yipanze atuje. Agica muri reza. Bahita babatwika. Twagiye. Zamuka hejuru sinzi ariko. Barakurikira. Kubera iki turi hejuru mwana. Kandi bazamuka kuri escalier. Sinzi. Musore kira gutya. Kururano. Escalier zijugunya abagabo. Musore inzu ye yipanze atuje one.
Why are we
Elton ni kubera iki turi kuzamuka hejuru aho kumanuka. Zahakuno. Kubera ibi ngibi.
You brought us up here so you could slide down a pole.
I brought us
Zanyano kugira ngo tumanukire kuri iki cyuma.
So we could slide down.
Nkuzanyano kugira ngo tumanukire kuri iki cyuma nyine. Agitinda amasasa aravuga ngagiye icyamamare. Nawe ahita amanuka do.
4 minutes flat.
Sinakubwiye iminota 4.
Would be long gone.
Kubwiye ngo twagiye kare.
We are still in the gun.
Turacyari muri iyi nzu twagiye hehe se? Twagiye. Azakuna kuracyari kimashini cya hot dogs. Zamura hakuno kumbi mu hano harimo inzira. Ihinguka munsi y'iki? Munsi y'inzu harimo ubuvumo mo hasi mu nzu.
Tactical flashlight. Pretty powerful.
Yeah.
Come on.
Mwana. Kugera hano kumba abahigi bagezemo. Elton akigera hano umuhigi yahise mutaba.
I'm gonna sever your Achilles and drag you outside. Chief wants to end your run in person.
Chef garashaka ukwirangirira.
Camera.
Kuri kamera. Uratse. Kigabo. You nawe. Mubaga mu kiganza. Musore. Sinzi. Iragurikira ariko. Zinga hakuno ibyazinga. Fatira urwembe hano ni urwembe. Kati kigabo munsi wakaguru cyewe. Ewe. Gufatira imbunda. Umusa wagwani.
Don't let him answer that.
Natuma yitabiri ya telefone arayita.
Still there?
Aracyari cyane. Mumereze. Fatasha. Ibiri nete hano.
There he is.
Ndakubona umusa bimeze bite se?
Mr. Richards, you are killing it.
Kubikora kabisa.
People are dying, you fucking psychopath.
Abantu bari gupfa musazi we.
If you could fake everything, why do you
ibintu byose wabasha kubifeka nkuko wafetse zira video?
Just fake the whole show.
Show bundi yo wifetse.
Believe me, we have tried.
Twarabigerageje.
That special unpredictable spark.
Ariko abantu hari ukuntu bagira gutya bagashyiramo akamaninyeri nyine utamenya aho gaturutse.
Lives for these happy accidents.
Abantu bagashimishwa nabyo.
A little advice? I'll pass.
Reka nkugire inama.
Make sure my family gets some money.
Jenny napfa mumenye neza ko umuryango wanjye uzabona ibiciro. Richard wigenda ariko.
You can still win this game, but you have to play it smart.
Uyu mukino wawe utsinda ariko ugomba kuwukina n'ubwenge.
Send a rover into that tunnel.
Nohereje kamera aho muri iyo tunnel.
Finish off that hunter. Wait for my cue to exit.
Nangize umuhigi hanyuma umbwire nkwereke inzira iri busohokere.
You want me to off one of your own guys?
Uragira ngo ndangize umwe mu basore bawukoresha.
It's all good freebie.
Byose abari sawereka kuri freebie.
Okay, on you.
Freebie ni asheni nyine abantu babibona babona ari
5, 4, 3.
Guricha. Na imbunda.
1.
Asagonda 5 na 3 rimwe. Arasigi kamera hosh.
Get in.
Hakuno. Shiramo
What about the door?
Umuryango urafunze. Amaze twagiye bikicyuke. Umuryango ufunze. Kimodoka bicometse hano. Cometse mu kimodoka sinzi ariko. Ariya mwana hakurya burya manuka hakuno mu ishyamba sinzi ariko yanayimbwa mwana wa maraya badukurikiye bazanye imbunda ambuka kiriya kiraro bayunsiga njye mbasigase inyuma mbakerereze ufite ibintu by'ibisasu utamenya urokoka niko gutsinda hakuno kata hano dododododo mwana sinzi ariko ifilime n'imbara nayirebye bakiniye mu bwirizo mbe butisha nta mwana usicyavoma hakuno wibuke mwana wowe umeze nkaho uri imbarutso umusore bakigenda isasu riramurya isasu ryaramuriye makoni uhigi mukuru bimeze bite se bize gutya akandagira ikimodoka arabanza aragikata Richard Green Light mu mwica umubona mwice Green Light yatanzwe uhigi hakuno umusore baramurya aha ni u Rwanda ruherera Richard nta handi wo kwirukangira ufite jendi imbarutso amen initiator njyewe kabitera ubundi ninjye kabitera kandi nica gitera ikibimutera kandagira imodoka yuzuye ibisasa arangije agira gutya arayijabuka kabum musore manuka cyo yicomeka amazi bahita bamwongera ibihumbi 100 by'umuhigi yishe
Can you feel it?
muri kubyumva mwe musina yisagaruka mu kirori
Your heart beats faster.
Munsi wa 17 niho tugeze noneho dore ibyo bohereje biri kumuhigato ibifaru uyu mukino ntago ukiri umukino
Life and death are on the line.
bisa nkaho ari ubuzima n'urupfu noneho biri ku murongo umwe
You feel it, Mr. Richards?
kubyumva Mr. Richards
Congratulations.
Félicitations.
You took out a hunter.
wishe umuhigi hantu y'umwishe w'abari ibihumbi 100
Now it's down to 4 of them.
ubu hasigaye abahigi bane gusa
Plus every citizen of this great nation.
twongeye abene igihugu b'iki gihugu
5 paces west of Big Rock.
hakurya yararebye banza reba kuri ya mapa ahantu bamurangiye ngo hari ubuvumo kureba hakurya harahindutse kubyumva murata muri kubiha umuriro
The acrid stink of fear as the prey animal realizes he's surrounded by predators.
uko inyamaswa iri guhigwa iyo imaze kumenya ko yazengurutswe n'impigi ziyihiga
Reality sinks in as he scurries to hide.
bwa bwoba bwatumaga ijya kwihisha buyishiramo
Desperately hoping to survive.
icanganyukiye n'ukuntu iri buze kurokoka
He already knows it's too late.
ariko muri iyi ndani bibizi yuko nyine yamaze gukerererwa ntaho gucikira
Because
kubera ko
this is America, goddammit!
iyi ni Amerika nta hantu waducikira nta bikorwa tujya twemera gabo hakuno yirukanse ntako atagize
Richard chose this path.
Richard yahisemo inzira yo
to show him where it ends.
rero ni inshingano zanyu kumwerekana iyo nzira yiri buze kurangira do Richard yageze mu mujyano muhige nyana yibwa muyice umuhige hakuno aje hakuno arananiwe byamaze iminsi amaze agenda do yaguye agacuho kwiyengeka agata agahita agwa agacuho kamwiriyeho nimba ari kurota nimba ari iki sinzi reba hariya mwana wanjye
I told you I'd get you out of there.
sinakubwiye ko nzakuvana hano hantu
People on this show never come back.
ikibazo nuko abantu bagiye muri kino kirori batajya bagaruka bwamukereyeho nimba twacyita ikirori nimba twacyita amarushanwa nimba twacyita iki ni show ica kuri televiziyo yitwa Free V
Is a message for Killian.
ubu ni ubutumwa kuri Killian.
Hey Dan.
Vadani MC.
I'm starting to get how this game works.
natangiye kumenya ukuntu uyu mukino ukorwa
It's not about me winning or losing.
nimba itari njye ngo ndatsinda cyangwa ndatsindwa
It's about your ratings. About how much chaos I can cause.
byibura ni amanota mumpa n'ibibazo ndibuteza
I'm taking this thing all the way to the end.
yabasigiye ikime cya kikaseta ya namwe mu kijana yarakaye
And I'm done playing defense, I promise you that.
ndambiye gukomeza kwigira nkaho ndi kwirinda. Oya.
So here's the deal.
Dore deal ikurikiyeho rero.
I will see my family again.
Ngiye gushaka uburyo nzongera kubona umuryango wanjye.
And as long as they keep getting paid.
Kandi mu gihe cyose umuryango wanjye ukishyurwa.
You can put whoever you want in front of me. I will.
Uzanyohereza uwo mushaka uwo ari we wese.
Run through all of them.
Nzabacamo kandi nzabatsinda, nzabemeza. Yaje hakuno dore za DNA tracker sniffers. Za DNA sniffers yaraje araziyereka.
I'm from Slumside.
Jemvuka mu cyaro.
Let's throw the rule book out.
Ibintu byo kugendera ku mategeko tunabive.
Mutually profitable annihilation.
Bunono tugiye gukora ibirimo inyungu.
You want a show?
Simushaka show ngo mbakorere show. Okay. Reka mbahe show. Hakuno. Kureba hakuno. Imodoka kari hano.
Americanos. Americanos. Let's do this.
We interrupt the Americanos. Update from the
abari bari kureba Americanos mwihangane gatoyo.
The floor is done.
None iki kirori nawe ugikunda iki gifilime narindi kureba. Usore yabonye akamodoka hakuno. Ahita kaza imbere to. Sana mendo kiraure. Rumba bazenda kwinjinza upfa mugore. Banza ufane moto pilot.
Take the next back door north.
Irukanga twari imodoka nta muriro nsigaranye.
Your battery is 93%.
Imodoka iramuri naburiza usigaranye mo 95 mabuja.
If you don't
amabandi uri kubona
back this car up,
nudasubiza iyi modoka inyuma.
Right now.
Baratwica twese kandi bikorera no kurasubiza imodoka inyuma. Toto mu muhanda sinzi ariko. Konga hakuno. Kuri twaturinda abasazi kuri za garide fu. Abahigi baje ni benshi. Komeza utwara imodoka tugende. Komeza utwara imodoka tugende. Mu muhanda sinzi. Mu muhanda imodoka zaje ni nyinshi sinzi ariko. Yesu Kristo.
Self-driving cars.
Recalculating.
Kureba hakuno.
Keep it pointed north.
Komeza ujye mu majyaruguru.
All the way to the border.
Paka ku mupaka.
Go ahead. Say what you gotta say.
Muko, mbwira ibyo ushaka kumbwira ndabona waraka. Kubera iki?
You can go crazy and kill me?
Kugira ngo usare unyice se.
No.
Oya ntabyo ngubwiye.
You have 1 minute.
Sigaranye umunota
Speak freely.
Kugira ngo uvuge wibohoye.
Live with yourself.
Ubundi ubayeho ute?
You dare sit there and criticize my driving?
Wicaye hano uri kunshira imanza ngo ntwara nabi.
I how to operate my own car?
Unyigisha uko ntwara imodoka yanjye?
Member of society.
Nanjye none umenye ko ndi muri bamwe bategura rero amarushanwa. Nanjye ndi umumember wa society.
You disgust me.
Uri igisebo uransebye.
You abandoned that starving baby.
Wataye umwana nkuriya wishwe n'inzara.
Horrible wife of yours.
Nuriya mugore wawe umeze kuriya.
So you can what?
Kugira ngo bigende bite.
Kill people for money?
Kugira ngo wice abantu ubona amafaranga.
Only kill the best people.
Ikibabaje nuko wagiye wica abantu beza gusa.
Protect us from
abantu baturinda.
Wealth like you.
Baturinda ibirura nkawe.
That's not a word I use.
Ubundi iryo si ryo jambo nagakoresheje. Gira gutya.
That is my family.
Uyu ni wo muryango wanjye wa mugore we. Muryango wanjye
We came up for the park. Watched Kathy try ice cream for the first time.
Nimwe nigeze kujya muri park ndeba umwana wanjye ari kugerageza kurya ice cream bwa mbere.
That was the best day of my life.
Wari wo munsi wa mbere mwiza mu buzima bwanjye.
Right.
Navuga ukuri ko.
Oh, it's so fake.
Iriya show ni fake turi
Not the bullets. Not the death.
Ariko amasasa arimo si fake. N'impfu zirimo si fake.
Just the part that makes people like you think
nicyo gituma abantu nkawe
you're better.
utekereza ko muri abantu beza kuturusha.
How much was that?
Reka ngira ikintu mubaza
scarf?
Iyo furari wambaye mu ijosi iyo scarf igura ngahe? Mbwira se.
More than the meds my daughter needed when she was
igura amafaranga menshi kurusha amafaranga y'imiti umwana wanjye yari akeneye. Aho kugira ngo yicwe n'umusonga.
The flu.
Umusonga uri kubyumva flu n'umusonga cyangwa ibintu by'ibicurane bigendana gutyo.
Human life hanging around your neck.
Ubwo n'ubuzima bw'umwana w'umuntu buziritse mu ijosi ryawe.
You seem to be doing fine.
Ariko n'ubundi se ko mbona umeze neza.
Who can blame you? It's a nice scarf.
Ninde wabigushinza se ko wambaye agafurari keza?
Not of that person.
Not start crying.
Oya witangira kurira.
I will shoot us both if you start crying.
Utangira kurira ndirasa nawe ngurasa.
When it's over.
Biye byo kurira byararangiye amakuru. Shiraho. Kigali we.
For an emergency vehicle. Nice.
Disable it. Disable it. Do not pull on.
Babashyirisha ku ruhande kandi bimodoka bigezweho ziriya modoka zanyu mwirwa mugura ngo naguze ngo Kia ngo Kenos ngo naguze ngo Prius. Reba imodoka byanyu bire electronique tuzajya tubibabikisha ku ruhande. Hakuno polisi yamukubise ubuduha imodoka ije yishyira ku ruhande. Because imodoka ziba zestaye ntabwo wayitwara.
You have successfully yielded. Nice.
Hakuno Kigali we. Richard we.
Pulled over by the Rustic Rock Militia Boys.
Bashyizwe ku ruhande natwe barara bita Rustic Rock Militia Boys.
We're here securing our homestead in the
name. Dushinzwe umutekano wo muri iyi quartier duhagarariye network. Wigira icyazo ratashiri wacu umukobwa.
Step out of the car.
Weva mu modoka.
You'll be safe with us.
Uraza ko ufite umutekano uri kumwe nawe.
Him we want.
Uwo niwe dushaka. Yabitekerejeho. Sawa igendere muko igendere. Umukobwa atarava mu modoka bagabo hari uwabahaye. Hari drone yaje barasado. Nakasani. Hey. Drone nibivuye.
What is happening?
Ni ibiki biri kuba?
Producers just killed network militia.
Aba producer biyisho nibo biyishe iriya network aho kugira ngo bice ngewe. Sibyo? Bisha abakozi ba network.
Those men were just trying to protect me from you.
Bari abagabo bageragezaga kundinda bakundi.
What's it gonna take for you to get? I'm not the best.
Ese ubundi wemera gusaba iki kugira umenye ko ntari umwana mubi gafatwa imbundu ndasi.
Take the car. Drive away. I don't want to hurt you.
You think
that imodoka utware sinshaka kukwica ugenda umva imbere.
You'll let you walk after seeing that?
Urakeka bari buze kukure kugenda nyuma yo kubona biriya se.
Show now.
Nawe bamaze kugushyira muri show wayigeze.
I'm not.
Oya ntabwo nyiri.
And this time he's got a hostage.
Richard aracyariho kandi afite imfungwa. Wita Amelia Williams.
27-year-old realtor.
Imyaka 27 uturuka muri Bangor. Mwamfashije ariko batangira kugaragaza afite umukobwa atigeze yifataga ari gusakuza. Nawe urakaza neza muri running man turi kumwe mada.
This continues. Williams Alpine heads north on Rustic Rock sighting road. The NCG to go into full tactical alert.
Turn it
off.
Richard umusani we wacu rata umusani we wacu abantu afite umufana kubigesho yatangiye kubona umufana. Sinabyiza. Amabanda ari imbere mwana, amabanda ari imbere mwana. Bari kugenda banamurangirana n'amabanda mutekereje ari.
They let him run.
Iyo watangiye kubona amanota abantu bagukunze barakureka. Baba bakuretse babaretse kuko.
All right. If we play our parts, to let us pass.
Dukora ibyo tugomba gukora bari baratureka tugende. Rebe hakuno.
Okay. Just
amabandi yabateze.
I'm not going to shoot.
Apana bahije basigaye niba ne bafitemo nandi mabandi kwa.
Do it live.
Do what live?
Ntago babikora live. Bakora ibikiza kunyica. Mupanure barabapanurira.
Why are they cheering for you when I'm the hostage?
Kubera icyo bari kuguinzira kandi ndi imfungwa.
Unbelievable.
Hakuno.
You give me the gun.
Wampaire jombo ndamuko. Kubera iki ntayigo.
You're obviously the hero.
Nundi mbona wabaye intwari. Ngaho yimerero nyizeye.
I don't think we're going to need this anymore.
Ndakeka imbunda tutakikeneye. Arayijugunya.
Oh my God, I just saw Ben Richards.
Mana nje mbonye Ben Richards.
I'm sorry, wait.
Babarire iki?
I am Ben Richards.
Nje Ben Richards.
You don't want to be the reason Amelia dies.
Niba mudashaka impamvu Amelia ari bupfe dore ibyo bari kwereka abantu kandi si byo birimo.
Get this message to kill you.
Ubu butumwa mubuhereze Kirimo.
Please.
You heard the lady.
Ufishije umugore do. Ewana ukana mwana umusa running mwana umugabo yamaze kwigarurira fan base afite umupfana arawurusha. Ya equipe yambara umweru n'ubururu. Ya equipe nzova fana. Okay. Anko elephant bageze akuno dora bahigido. Ebe. Kise gutya. Fatira hakuno ka megaphone.
Before you murder us.
Mbere yuko mutwica.
Make up some bullshit why it had to be done.
Ubanze mwumvikanisha impamvu byagombaga kuba.
Look at all these people who know the truth.
Mureba aba bantu bose bari hano bamaze kumenya
ukuri. Kill all of them? Because I am.
Muri ready yo kubica se ariko nge ndi ready.
I'm holding on to this bullhorn with my right hand.
Kabako kanje k'iburyo gafashe imbarutso.
Left hand is in my front pouch.
Na imini akabako kanje k'iburyo gafashe megaphone akibumoso gafashe imbarutso iri mu mufuka.
Wrapped around 12 pounds of black Irish.
Iyo mbarutso izengurutse igisasu cyo mu bwoko bwa black Irish. Barikanga.
When I used to work at Network Public Utility,
yikora muri Network Public Utility.
You get these 2-ton fatbergs, take less than a gram to blow those up.
Nibwo namenye ko bisaba amagarama make kuba waturitse ikintu kingana n'urugamba. None mwibaze pound 10.
That's everything in a half-mile radius.
Naturitse ibintu byose biri hano muri hafi kimwe cya kabiri cya mile. Ngo ni nko muri metero nka 700 gutyo. Abantu barikanga.
Oh shit. BFE-20 is the most highly regulated industrial explosive you have even set foot in a state that sells it.
Guess Molly didn't tell you everything. I got my finger stuck in the detonator ring, and it's on half cock. So, I want one of those big, fancy flying V airplanes. 2 auto shoots handed to Amelia at the bottom of the ramp. If the shoots are sabotaged, if you make any sudden moves, back those trucks up and let me on that tarmac right fucking now. Go boom. I'll just see you in hell and laugh in your face. Shouldn't take long. He's got a direct line to the boss. Last chance to run.
You made me feel like I'm the bad guy. Now I have to prove I'm not. You're not the one I'm trying to prove it to. So what's your plan?
Your handbag is a bomb. We'll never win. I'm gonna out the back door and wait out the clock.
What if they call your bluff?
You make sure they know it's real. Get scared, freak out, curse, scream. Call me the worst names possible. Just for everything bad. It's all good for EV. When McCone hands you the shoots,
I won't have to act.
You grab a gun, you'll know it's time to go off. Oh, think you're the guy who stops me from seeing my daughter again. Get on the plane. Take your mask off. Keep dreaming. Do what he says. Do what he says.
Kora ibyo akubwiye mugabo hano ngo ni makona twanyemo hano kumbi umusaba imeze bite wagwana
show starts at 8
kirori kiratangira saa 2 ishaka uje mu ndege tugende ibindi ubu byihoreye
to the Net Air
Net Air Flying V,
the ultimate in private travel. Art safety features. This is first class comfort. And enjoy the most relaxing flight of your life.
Welcome aboard, Mr. Holloway. Excuse me if I don't shake your hand. That's First Officer Dunninger. Navigation Officer Donahue too. Left.
You're missing one. Hey, Captain. Laboratories around this rust bucket? 4. 6. Why don't you check them all for stowaways? Laboratories around this rust bucket? 4. 6. You check them all for stowaways. It's up on me. It's gonna be a real short ride. Plot a route over the richest homes from here to Canada. Fly as low as you can. Let me know as you wish.
Feel free to move about the cabin.
Richards, 6 minutes to showtime. Where they clear me to blow your head off in front of a couple billion people.
You know, you should really put some makeup on before the show starts.
Let's go.
You want to go? We can all go, right? Do it! Do it, tough guy! See if I twitch.
Show him the bomb!
If I offer you an amnesty deal and an exit visa.
Nothing
but a Halloween costume.
You can't
offer me shit.
Mr. Richards.
Can't. But I can. How about I offer you a deal? You tell your hunters in the cockpit to do what I tell them.
And I admire your commitment to the bit, but we're short on time, so I'll be blunt. No, you're bluffing. The Flying V Mark II has scanners built into it. It's been wildly entertaining. Amelia, her lovely handbag back.
zimwumiraho harimo indege mu ndege uzema abicanyi karabaye mama we Evan hoja
Safety that weapon, sir. Evan, are you insane?
Evan,
the show hasn't even started. Hand over your gun and go to the back of the jet. Thank you. You can remain there until I say otherwise. I need a moment to have a word with Mr. Richards. It wasn't too long ago that someone with my job thought it was more important to force some hypocritical moral message down society's throat than to simply entertain them. They forgot about the power of illusion, the power of the star, which is what you are, Richards. Why we want to offer you your own show. Former runner, deemed through righteous vengeance, turns his life around to become a lethal force for good. Call him the Hunter. Board me to pay you $5 million new per season.
Bodi nkorera yemeye ko tuzajya tukwishyura miliyoni 5 z'idolari kuri buri season uzajya ugaruka muri umuhigi.
Only one condition.
Ariko kuri kondisiyo
icara watch the intro.
Urebe intro.
And when Bobby cues you, kill every hunter on that jet.
Hanyuma wica na buri muhigi wese uri muri iyo ndege.
Mission met. I'll remote pilot you back to the studio jet.
Ibyo nuramuko birangije iyo ndege ndaza kuyitwara nyigarure kuri studio.
Where the president of the United States will induct you as hunter number 6.
Auri buze guhurira na president wa leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika akakugira hunter number 6 cyangwa se umuhigi nimero 6.
Title ID I'm playing with.
Ile ni ikindi gitekerezo na rimwe.
It says the revenge plot.
Revenge.
Amakuru avuga ko
for what?
Nihorera ikisi.
Who is going to root for a guy who kills your national heroes?
Ninde muntu uzemera kugira gute kujya reba show y'umugabo wishe intwari za.
Bullshit, Dan.
Let me worry about